Hey, Craig Proctor System Coaching members, how you doing? Todd Walters, Platinum Coach. Nice to talk to you today. Hey, I want to invite you to something very special, okay, coming up April 15th, 16th, and 17th, and it's a live stream Platinum OSA workshop. That's right. So I was talking to Craig, and we had a big idea. I wanted to invite you to this, so I want to share it with you. So if you'll give me like 3 minutes, I believe you'll enjoy this, okay? All right. Now, it's called the Craig Proctor System Platinum OSA Workshop. Now, you're like, what's an OSA workshop? Well, a long time ago, I don't know how long ago it was, probably the first year that we launched Craig's Platinum level program, him and I were having a conversation. I was training my team in Metro Atlanta, and I had to interrupt our phone call because I had to go do that. And he says, well, what do you mean you're training your team? I said, yeah, I call it my OSA workshop. The last 3 days of every month, I get my agents together and I train them for 3 days on implementing the Craig Proctor system as soon as the lead comes in. And he goes, hey, that sounds pretty good. Why don't you involve all of the Platinum members into that? So literally for 16 years, we've been coaching and training Platinum members and their agents on these systems. As soon as the lead comes in, what happens? So I wanted to invite you to this. You know, we were going to be in Anaheim April 15th, 16th, and 17th, so we don't want to let those days go to waste. So this is what we're doing. Okay, it's the Platinum OSA Workshop, how to sell more homes and make more money without giving up your personal life to do it. This is a digital conference, okay, live streamed right there, right here on the coaching Facebook page. All you got to do is position yourself to be there in front of your desktop computer with your notepad, ready to ask questions and chime in on everything having to do with that topic. All right, so I'm going to walk you through here in about 3 minutes the agenda for these 3 days, okay? But again, it's April 15th, 16th, and 17th. You don't need to register or do anything. All you've got to do is show up to go up. All right, are you ready? All right, so on the times it's going to take place, as you can see, it's 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time every day. So if you're on the West Coast, that's 7 a.m. PT to 2 p.m. Pacific Time every day. And then we will take some breaks for lunch and that sort of thing. So it's like a real live conference, but you don't have to get on a plane or get in a car and go anywhere. You just need to be in front of your computer with your notepad. Hey, if you want to, if you've got a team, it would be a good idea, if you can, to get them together around your conference room table in front of your monitor as well, if you're able to do that, okay? And I know that some people can right now, depending on where you are in the United States and Canada. Okay, so let's talk about what we're going to do on day one together. All right, you ready? All right, so I've got the agenda here, and we're sending this to you in a little more formal presentation, so you can look for that. But day one, the first thing we're going to do is say, okay, we can't let our present circumstances dictate our future results. That's got to go. We got to grab hold of our future that we want, and we got to reverse engineer that to today. What's the starting points on that? Okay. Then we're going to transition right into industry norms and how we do it. Okay. Industry norms versus how we do it. Understanding the 4 stages in the real estate process, 6 steps to ultimate success, the 8 quantum leap principles, USPs, and performance guarantees that work, mastering the guaranteed sale program, and the secret to successfully selling. That's the advanced disc training. Okay, that's day one. All right, day 2 is everything having to do with buyers, working with buyers, the entire VIP buyer system. Understanding the buyer and the buying process, applying the firm formula, from ad to prospect to appointment, the VIP buyer presentation demonstrating value, how to get paid a portion of your fee up front, increasing the amount you make per sale, dealing with buyer objections, and the buyer offer package. Okay? So, we're going to wrap up that day with the lifetime customer system. All right? On day 3, this will be April 17th, all right, we're going to get right into everything working with sellers. The ultimate guide to working with sellers, as you can see, we're going to ditch the listing mentality. We're 10 tips to a highly successful presentation. The ultimate seller benefits presentation, closing every seller every time, how to increase your commissions by 25% or more. The platinum listing sales system and the ultimate client service system. Okay, so there you go. There's your 3-day OSA workshop is what we call it. So in other words, I'm going to pretend that you're an agent and you just joined my real estate sales team, which was pretty much an exact duplicate of Craig Proctor's real estate sales team, and how I took that system, all right, from Craig Proctor and put it to work in my business. Essentially went from homeless, living in my father-in-law's basement and bankrupt, to multi-millionaire real estate agent, literally in no time flat, recognized as top 10 with RE/MAX in the world, earning millions of dollars a year in commission selling real estate with the same system that you have in your hand right now. Okay, so you can count on that from me for 3 days. Okay, one more time to wrap it up. This is the the Platinum OSA workshop that we're inviting you to, and all you've got to do is just show up in front of your computer April 15th, 16th, and 17th, all right, on the coaching Facebook page that you're on right now, seeing this video on, okay, and sit there, and it's going to be live streamed to you. You're going to be able to type in and ask questions while the thing is going on. We're going to be responsive live. My team's going to be here to answer questions along the way. It'll be very interactive. And we'll have materials for you to download as well. And we believe it'll be a great training for you. So, hey, one more time. We don't want to let those days go to waste. We're going to be in Anaheim. No problem. Let's get together, do it digitally for this great training session. You'll hear from Platinum members, if you know them, if you know any of them, they would tell you this is the most requested ultimate sales team training that we do for those guys. And we're glad for the opportunity to be able to invite you to participate in this. And I can guarantee you we'll pour everything we got into you for those 3 days, okay? So there you go. Mark your calendars. You're going to get a few emails and text messages about it, and maybe a few follow-up videos. Hit us up right here with any questions or comments you have about it. Just type them into your comment section when you're watching the video. All right? We'll see you April 15th, 16th, and 17th via live stream on the coaching Facebook page for the Platinum OSA workshop. How to sell more homes, make more money without giving up your personal life to do it, regardless of what's going on in the marketplace. All right, you good? Thank you so much. Look forward to sharing with you then. Until then, go serve big. See ya.